How to fix laptop speaker crackling noise. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix your laptop speaker crackling noise or distorted sound from your laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, restart your laptop. Sometimes a simple restart can reward clear temporary glitches, so restart your laptop and check for the speaker. If that does not work out for you, check for your loose connections. If you are using external speakers or headphones, ensure that the jack or USB is securely plugged into your device. And if that still does not help you, then you have to update your audio drivers. So if you're on your Windows, you have to open up Device Manager. So click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Device Manager and open it up. So once you have opened up Device Manager, you have to head towards the Sound, Video and Game Controller. Click on it. After that, you have to right click on your audio device. Then here click on Update Driver. After that, choose automatically for the drivers and it will find the best drivers for your device, and here it says already installed. So here search for the drivers and make sure that the drivers are up to date. If that still does not help you, then you can disable the audio enhancement in your device. Now to disable the audio enhancement, head over to the speaker icon on the taskbar. Here click on Sound Settings. Once you're here, scroll down. So once you're here, click on the speaker at the top. And here scroll down a bit. Here you have audio enhancement under advanced setting. Click on default effects and here you can turn off your audio enhancement too. So once you're done, go back and check whether your speakers still have the problem or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to check for your CPU uses. High CPU uses can also cause sound distortion. So you have to open up Task Manager in your device and head over to the background processes, and if you have any of the unnecessary application running, then you have to close the unnecessary application. Right click on it and then you have to click on End Task. After you do that, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then scan for malware. Sometimes a malware virus can also interfere with audio processors, so you can run a full system scan in order to scan for the viruses, and that will help you clean any viruses in your device as well. And if nothing works out, it's not hardware related, consider reinstalling Windows or doing a system restore if nothing works out for you. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you have the distorted or the crackling noise from your speaker in your laptop. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.